In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Workspace ID in Notion. Your Workspace ID is a unique identifier for your Notion workspace. You might be asked for it by a teammate, your company admin, or a support agent helping you troubleshoot an issue. It doesn't give anyone direct access to your pages by itself, but you still want to share it only with people you trust or with official support channels. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to find it and how to copy it so you can share it quickly and confidently. First, open Notion on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the account that's part of the workspace you want to reference. Once you're on any page inside Notion, look toward the top left corner of the window. You'll see your profile name or icon there. Go ahead and click on your profile name in that top left area. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your account and workspaces. From that drop-down, look for the option labeled Settings. Click on Settings to open the Settings panel. This is where Notion keeps most of your account and workspace configuration options, so it's a good place to get familiar with for future adjustments as well. Inside the Settings panel, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side with different categories. Find and click on the section labeled General. The General section groups together basic information and preferences for your Notion experience, including workspace details. Once you're in the General section, scroll through the options until you find the area labeled Workspace ID. This is the field that contains the unique identifier for the workspace you're currently viewing. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct workspace if you belong to more than one. You can usually see the workspace name near the top of the settings panel to double check. Now that you've located the workspace ID, the final step is to copy it. Move your cursor over the ID value and drag to highlight it, or use any copy button that may appear next to it, depending on your current Notion layout. Then copy it using your usual method, such as right-click and select Copy, or use your keyboard shortcut. You can now paste this Workspace ID into an email, a chat message,